開始 the any problem，粉刺啊，即係暗瘡 any。青春期嘅時候 adolescence，你一定遇到暗瘡呢個問題。暗瘡之前就會有 acne 就會變成 pimples 暗瘡。Any is a medical problem 唔得。我如果開等陣先啊，因為我用公仔之後，我發覺好似我用虛擬呢個公仔好似冇乜黃 Sir 嘅 feel，覺唔覺？見到我呢個用虛擬，見啦，咁咧完全唔係我嘅風格，係嘛？唉，唔緊要啦，繼續去。Any is a medical problem common among teenagers 年青人 teenagers and young adults. It is estimated that 間低估計 it is estimated that 講過好多次啊，呢個句構非常之好用，係一個 be 加形容詞，前邊加個 it，跟住後邊搭個 that。It is estimated that everyone will grow some pimples in their lives because it is too common and will automatically disappear. Automatically 一個 adverb，不過打粒聲 adverb 可以擺句尾，但係有啲 adverb 可以擺喺動詞嘅前面 ，adverb 亦都可以擺句子嘅開頭。And people usually do not treat any problems seriously. Considering that 呢個複雜句構 considering present participle，咁個 subject 喺邊度咧 ？People. Considering that it's just a part of our lives and since it is not a life-threatening disease and little research has been done， 一個被動句本身 be 加 PP， 跟住再 has have 加 PP， 所以就變咗 has have 加 PP 再加 PP has been done to find out the real cause of acne, which is still unknown. Although acne is a minor problem for most people, and it may be a serious issue if the pimples grow out of control, 失控 severe 嚴重嘅 acne can lead to a disfigurement 毀容 as the face is usually the most affected part of, and the scars are extremely difficult to remove. And severe acne is still a social stigma. Social stigma 即係社會上唔願意市民唔願意講嘅話題叫 stigma。And that unfortunate patients are discriminated， 被受歧視，被動句。我 discriminate 你，即係你俾我 discriminate，which affects both the social lives and romantic relationship of the patients. While acne cannot kill the patients directly, it can cause long-term depression， 長遠嘅壓力。That may result in suicide。suicide 係自殺 ，result in 跟一個名詞。As the real mechanism of acne is still a mystery, and there's still little doctors can do to help. There's lead to doctors can do， 即係冇乜可以做到啦。To help the patients of severe acne, and drugs that control hormones are prescribed. Patients are advised to avoid certain food, but in most cases, it can only alleviate 減少 alleviate 舒緩。The symptoms and the patients are required to wait until the pimples automatically disappear. And the good news is that most people can get rid of their pimples when they reach their 40s. But the bad news is the horrible scar will stay on face permanently, 長遠地 permanently.